Holy moly. Okay, so we're here at the Bishop Creek Lodge and we're staying at the honeymoon cabin. The weather is a bit inclement, so we're trying to figure out what to do to pass the time. So why don't we come on inside and we'll take a look. Alright, so here's our room. There's my lovely bride. It's a wee bit small, but that's okay. It's just us. And since it's raining and we can't do any fishing, I think we found something to pass the time for now. A couple cold ones on a cold day. The goal is to drink these as fast as you can. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. You already did it? Cool. Cheers. And drink as fast as you can. As much as you can. You just kind of let everything brew. And you try and belch. But that one really wasn't that well or good. And so basically, it's rinse and repeat, and you try to drink this crappy beer in as few chugs as you can. That was a good one. Better than me. More salt, more lemon. And bottoms up. Cheers. So, last we checked in, it was snowing, and it has completely snowed. Everywhere is snow. And that's a nice shot of my forehead with the snow. But here, look. Autofocus. So yeah, there's lots of snow, and we're doing what we can to stay busy, being not getting cabin fever or whatnot. Hey, Katie. Okay.
It's in your eyebrows. When you know you have grandpa eyebrows.
There's the road going up. Getting all wet. How's it going?
It's going, I'm almost done.
finished product.
Uh-oh.
Our room, it's a much better angle than.
Today it was a high of 42.
Okay, so we're up here at Bishop Creek Lodge, and it's pretty cold. It's like 32 degrees, maybe right about now. And I got a fire going. And this fire that I have is keeping me mostly warm, but not all the way warm. And so I put myself in a position of all those poor bastards that are fighting in Winterfell, and I feel like that as cold as it is and as numb as my toes are and that I can't feel them in my fingers and everything else, and I don't know, I think those poor bastards probably froze their asses off before they were killed. So anyhow, I don't know, just a little food for thought on what I was thinking about when I was looking at this fire that's trying to keep me warm but not doing a very good job. Anyhow, I think I'll have another cold beer.